Microsoft has released critical security updates for Office Suite, Outlook, and SharePoint to fix serious vulnerabilities. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to download and install the latest Microsoft security updates the correct way, using official Microsoft sources only. First, we need to check which version of Microsoft Office you're using. Open any Office app like Word or Outlook, click File, then Account. Here, you'll see your Office version, such as Microsoft 365, Office 2019, or Office LTSC, and whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit. This step is very important because updates depend on your version. Now open your web browser and go to Microsoft's official Office Security Update page mentioned in the advisory. This page lists all the latest security patches for Office, Outlook, and SharePoint. Scroll down and locate your product, such as Microsoft 365 apps, Office 2019, Office LTSC 2021 or 2024, or SharePoint server. Make sure you choose the correct 32-bit or 64-bit version before downloading. Click the download link provided for your version. You'll be redirected to the Microsoft Download Center. Click Download and wait for the update file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, double-click the file to start installation. Follow the on-screen instructions and wait for the update process to finish. Close all Office apps during installation for best results. After installation, restart your computer. Open Word or Outlook again, go to File Account, and confirm that your Office version has been updated successfully. If you're a SharePoint administrator, download the latest cumulative update from the same Microsoft page. Always back up your SharePoint environment before applying security updates. Until all updates are installed, avoid replying to suspicious emails. Microsoft confirms that many Outlook attacks require user interaction, so awareness is critical. Keeping your Office, Outlook, and SharePoint updated is the easiest way to stay secure. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others to spread security awareness.